Sorry guys, I just needed to find something to hold my phone. So anyways, you were going to have both of these wires crisscrossing and then coming across these guides, and then they're going to come back and just be hanging out loose over here. This motor you're going to install last. Before you install that, you will install this guy right here. And the way that you want to install it is with the teeth right here facing towards the regulator motor. But before the regulator motor goes on at all, you're just going to be able to drop this in. But what you have to do before you drop this in, you're going to have to wrap this wire and this wire around it. And you're going to have to wrap them in a fashion that goes like this. What I did was I went ahead and got my loose wire like this, went ahead and threaded it like this, and then it was hanging out loose over there, so I just kind of went around and around until it got tight enough. And I did the same with the other side. The other side, I went from the bottom, and it's going this direction, and then went around and around from the bottom. And the problem that ends up happening is it's tight. It's going to be too tight, and it's going to be like about, it's going to be so tight that this is all going to be about over here. But what you need to do at that point is you need to go ahead and pull this like a bow and arrow. You're going to get quite a bit of tension on it, and you got to drop it right in the spindle. When you drop it in the spindle and you have both tension coming out like this, and again, both needs to be coming in this direction. Cannot be coming out like from this direction or something like that. But when you got that, that's when you drop it in, and that's when you can put the regulator back on. I'll probably try and give you guys a little more detail. But yeah, just remember, the order that you have to do this, go ahead and put this part in first. Or this is even if you pull all the parts and you can't figure out what's what, just remember, this goes under the regulator motor. It goes in this side with the teeth facing towards the regulator. This butterfly piece right here, it actually has two tabs that stick out over here. And those are these tiny two tabs that you see coming out of here. And that's how you know which direction that it's supposed to go. And also, just the fact that the wire going this way is the longer one. The wire going this way is the shorter one. Even just with that information, you're probably a lot better off than I was. So, good luck, you guys. I'll try to edit this video a little better and put it all together. But and I'll probably have the descriptions of the pieces. But this way, you don't have to buy the whole window regulator. Apparently, this is a very common problem with these A209s and W209s. So good luck, you guys. We'll see you later.